out here with the iBobber today, and I'm gonna catch some bruisers. Well, there's some fish rising on the surface in here. I know they're here. Here we are, we have the iBobber, and we're in a spot where we can't use the boat's transducer to get in there. We're blocked off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this iBobber to map out the bottom and figure out what kind of depth we're working with. The iBobber sonar is good up to 135 feet, and it's got a fish mode as well as a raw mapping sonar feature. And it's all gonna show up straight on your smartphone. Fish under 15 inches get an orange tag, and fish over 15 inches get a green tag. This is the only mobile sonar that can do that. So another great feature of the iBobber is the waterbed mapping. This thing is gonna be able to be casted out 100 feet and map the entire bottom that's gonna come straight through to your smartphone. This is actually gonna show you the contour of the waterbed, all the nooks and crannies, and that's gonna let you know where those big fish are hiding. So I've used the iBobber to map out how deep it is, and I've switched over to a weight, and that's allowed me to, got him on. There he is, oh, nice one. Thanks to the iBobber, I was able to figure out how deep to put my bait. This beautiful largemouth bass. See if we can't get another one here. Got him, coming in. It's a good fish, it's a good fish. Oh yeah. Yes, 10 minutes with the iBobber. There's our third fish, real sonar pliers. This is the real sonar scale, 1.6 is about what I was thinking. I got him on. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Thanks to the iBobber, this is too easy. Guys, this thing is loaded with a bunch of other great features. You got a trip log on here. It's gonna allow you to record the day's events, and you can even drop pins with GPS locations so that you can remember those great fishing spots. You guys can also log things like temperature, fishing spots, anything you want. You can even upload that to social media and send it to your friends that are stuck at the office. The iBobber has a 10-hour battery life, so this thing is gonna be good for the entire day of fishing. The iBobber is gonna make any day of fishing way better. We all have sonars, or most of us do on our boats these days, but when you have a place that you need to get into that sonar can't read, use the iBobber. You can use the iBobber from a kayak, from your dock, or from the shore. To sum it up, anybody that loves to fish and wants to find fish needs to have an iBobber. iBobber. Cast, find, catch, repeat.
The Deeper Smart Sonar is your way to explore the water. Just open the app to transform your phone into a fully functional sonar system. In standard mode, you can monitor underwater structure, vegetation, temperature, depth, and where the fish are hiding. Now even shore fishermen can use their smart sonar and the Deeper app to create bathymetric maps, pinpoint the spots that will offer optimum bite. Transform your smartphone into an onboard sonar system. Enable boat mode, then map out your favorite locations. Draw a bathymetric map right from your boat. Get the complete picture of the waters you fish. Discover Deeper today.
It's time to take control of your fishing adventures. Introducing the Go Anywhere, Do Anything Hawkeye Fish Tracks Fish Finders. With all anglers in mind, Hawkeye has packed these fish finders with the ultimate fish finding features. After one press of the power button, they instantly deliver fish, bottom contour, bottom composition, water depth, and water temperature readings. Each model incorporates a glare-free VirtuView display, a floatable, trollable, and boat-mountable transducer, and is powered by 4 AAA batteries, resulting in 30 hours of battery life. Integrated into a waterproof housing, the Fish Track series has set the standard for portability and versatility. The Fish Trax 1X is for intermediate anglers looking for advanced features to pinpoint optimal fish habitats. It incorporates a VirtuView dot matrix LCD that can be adjusted to show raw sonar data, or the fish target programming can be turned on to pinpoint the exact depth of your prey. The FishTrax 1X also includes auto switching, dual beam FishTrax intelligent sonar, as well as a 10-level sensitivity adjustment, multi-level depth ranges, and auto zoom bottom tracking. Integrated fish and depth alarms intensify prey targeting even further. Whether you fish from a boat, kayak, or canoe, from the shoreline or on the ice, you'll find a FishTrax fish finder that is perfectly adapted to your needs. Every FishTrax has built-in expandability that easily allows the addition of accessories to adapt to any fishing platform. From suction cup display brackets to kayak and boat transducer mounts and ice shack soft cases for ice fishing. Expandability gives fishing enthusiasts unmatched versatility. FishTrax fish finders will go from kayak to dock to boat and onto the ice in winter without the use of costly tools or complicated hardware installations. Every FishTrax fish finder is backed by Hawkeye's industry-leading 2-year warranty. Try one today and experience the limitless versatility of Hawkeye FishTrax fish finders.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.